How to find pages that liked your page. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find pages that liked your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook, click on those three lines, click on your page. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here all you need to do is click on people and other pages, and you're gonna find option number 2, which is pages that like this page. Click on it, and here you're gonna find list of all the pages that liked your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video don't forget to subscribe and like.